Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to make text-to-speech for free, without any limitation or sign-ups. For this you need a software, Speechelo. It's a paid software, but today I'm gonna show you how to download it for free and register it for free. So let's get started. Download Speechelo software from link in description. After that double click the zip. It needs a password. The password is 123. After that you see one folder name as Speechelo full. Unzip that folder to any destination you want. After unzipping the file, open Speechelo folder. There are many files. First we have to click on Melina Premium exe file, click that file to install.
Here we go.
Click next. Agree term and condition, click next. And then install. Then, hit open minispeech.exe, to install, click next. Click on install button to install. After that open speechelo.exe file to start installation, follow same process of next and install. To register the software, click Speechelo icon to open the application. After that it will ask you to enter product key. Press yes to enter product key. To generate product key, open Speechelo folder, then open topmost folder, then click on File, Nuance Speechelo Keygen. After then select Voice Melina Premium, and click on Generate button, to generate key for the software. After key generated, copy the key and paste it in the software. Now your software is registered for free for lifetime. Let's type something and test the voice response of the software. Hello friends, this is you host, Techno Gyan Pedia. Hope you doing well. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button, and press that bell icon for our latest video updates. Hope you like this video. If you really like it, please like, share and comment on this video.
Invincible.